Welcome to the Reach Out app tutorial for Ithaca College. In order to download the Reach Out app, the first step is to look up Reach Out Editions in the App Store. Once the app is uploaded, you can go ahead and click it open. You'll be asked to agree to a list of terms and conditions. You'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom before you can click Agree. Next, you'll want to click on the category of U.S. colleges and universities and search Ithaca College. You'll then be asked whether or not you want to receive notifications on your phone, which is, of course, up to you. From here you have a number of options available to you, from finding a safe space to talking to an advocate. You can take a closer look at on-campus resources like the chaplains and public safety, or if you need to make a report, you can look for the specific options available. If you need someone to talk to confidentially and quickly, you can check out the list of hotlines, both local and national, selecting one that is specific to whatever you need help with. From here, all you need to do is click on the hotline name, press call, and you'll immediately be connected to someone. Check out the Reach Out Editions app wherever you get your apps. For more information, you can email the Title IX Department at share@ithaca.edu.